Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, how you are doing? It has been a long time. Anyway, I'm back fully. Guys, today's topic will be all about come inside, let's go there. Guys, today's question will be all about, does people's opinion really matters in your life? Yeah, it's a question. I need us to chat. I need us to gist in the comment section. Please don't forget to drop your own opinion in the comment section. Does it really matter? People's opinion, like for example, maybe you want to do something that will make you happy, something you feel comfortable of doing when you are doing that thing. Then you'll be thinking, for example, like, what if this person go talk now if I do this thing now, Or what if this person go talk now if I do this thing? Hey, may not say this thing too much, or may not say this one. Like, for example, makeup. Let's just use makeup. Maybe you'll be thinking, oh, this person, I go say this makeup see too much today. We go say no good. Why? Like, why? Does it really matter? Something that you feel happy in you are so happy of doing that thing, then you'll be thinking, this person go talk this person go talk. It don't really matter. As for me, that is my own opinion. It don't really matter. It don't really matter for me, my own, no. As far you are not hurting someone for you to be happy, you don't keep person for you to be happy. So I don't care about what people will say. I don't care. People must always be people. If you fat, they go say, you don't too fat too. If you slim, they go say, don't do the slim. No. So what do you want to do? You go let person tie you down. You go let person tie you down just because the person's opinion matters to your life. You go there one place, you don't come for that place. You go they think what that person want, anything you want to do, you go they think. That means you know they free life. You are not free. You are not free. You are not really, as in, you know they free. Because people go always talk. As far you are happy, if not to carry, you know these people that go just dress, just snap picture. Now what you just give the enjoy be that. And it's just okay for them. They could just dress, bath, makeup, dress, or just they snap pictures, they do the dance, they do video, they look their side, or they smile. Many people go, they do makeup, like they'll do makeup, or they snap picture. Many people go market, they'll go buy. Do it just they make you the happy. This life now one, nothing. This life now one life, not think what the person go think, do, or what the person go think. If you do this kind of thing, now what the person go talk. People will always be people. May you make yourself CEO of your life. If person talk move on. Yes. Because if people opinion they disturb you like that, you know if you move. You will day one place. You know if you do anything. You know if you do. Just make yourself be happy, free. As far you not keep person, you they do your own thing, they go je. You know if you see other people maybe say they'll say if you do makeup, you done makeup, and then they bad pass inside them. You may just they do your own, they come out, people they see, they talk, they judge, they talk. You go past them. So why would they let people opinion they disturb you? No. We guys need to break out from that yoke. Yes, it's a you me. We have to break out from that thing. It's not good. It's not good. Anything may just make you happy, just do. And this life now one. Make I tell you one story. Why I not on YouTube since then. More gist more. You know, I'm not today fine since then. Like they sick, like seriously sick. I go hospital. Like my neighbor come from Africa. He can't give me fish. He can't give me fish. That you know, none of those smoked fish now. When they dry. I don't hear this story for Facebook before. It's not too frank me. I mean, it can't happen to me. No, you can't give me fish. That's why you give me the fish. I cook stew. I can't say no. This fish, not many. I just small for me. I have to cook ogbolo soup. You look me now. I can't say I just take cook ogbolo soup. So it go sweet me well well. It go sweet me well well. You understand? So I can't keep the fish. Because I go take cook ogbolo soup. Then one cook soup. So the next 3 days, I can't dey sick. My mouth they bitter me badly. I don't even feel get any taste of anything. I don't get any taste of anything. Like I say, oh God, I can't go hospital. So I reach hospital. I can't say only that fish. She's not to cook pepper soup. I can't say my husband do pepper soup for me now. I eat. So I the hospital. She's not to do pepper soup for me. I eat now. My must say okay, no problem. I do the pepper soup. Ah, that pepper soup, eh? I don't even perceive the sense. I'm I want to get the taste. Ah, I don't feel even eat. I don't eat that food. I say take her and come out back. I don't feel eat the food. The fish like that. Fish one you like that. You just go. I reach and tell mama something where the food, the pepper soup, you don't finish. She said don't finish, oh, may I keep away for you. Ah, you say this thing, baby, oh. Just imagine. I wish I did not take cook that day. I think I will enjoy my thing. Nah, I keep on for the next 3 days. So I want to go about soup. For that day, I can't be sick. You can imagine. For that day, I can't be sick. I'm not going to chop that fish again. Till today, I'm not taste that fish. The fish don't finish with that. So, why you want to do something? You think about tomorrow. You think about what the person want to do. You think about what the person want to talk. It don't make sense. Brothers and sisters, no change. That fish, he pay me though because now for another Africa fish, now that smoke big fish, river fish, that go smoke with smoke. Nah, I know it's time, but I thank God. I did okay today. I did well. That is the most important thing. I did okay. I come out successfully. I did okay. I well. You understand? So when I did hospital bed, I don't feel look my phone. So I don't even do anything. I don't feel do anything. So I can't do well now. I can't do okay now. I can't make up the dance. Sound for my Facebook or my WhatsApp or my thing where they make me the day happy. Then I can't think say, this person will say I don't see the post again. It don't make sense, so it don't make sense, guys. We need to change. We need to change. Like seriously, yeah. We need to change. Yeah, thank you for watching. That is my own opinion. And I want to really get comments. Like I need comments. No gist for comment section. Make I see whether the talk really makes sense or no. Guys, thank you for staying. Thank you for watching. See you all on my next video, my next vlog. Guys, bye for now. See you guys on my next video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Also stay safe. People in Nigeria, stay safe. That is very important. People in Nigeria, why people in Europe, guys, everywhere is, I don't know, everywhere else they hot. I don't even know what I want to talk again. Everywhere they hot. Everybody stay safe. Mascherina sempre, sempre mascherina, okay? Bye tutti, ti amo, ciao ciao, bye everybody. See you guys on my next vlog. Ciao.